Hi guys, hope you are well today. I've had an email today from a client. Really odd actually, because they use Windows Live Mail for their email. Now I've got them set up with IMAP email addresses and everything works fine, but they use Windows Live Mail and recently a few emails have come through as just completely blank. It's really weird, and they know that there's contents there because there's the little pay-per-click icon for an attachment, but the message body is just blank. They go down onto other emails, everything works fine. If they go back to the original email, it's just completely blank. So it doesn't make any sense at all. Now, I can't actually explain why this happens, but I know how to fix it. You've got two ways to do it. So on Windows, you can go to your control panel, go to programs and features, and then on the list of programs, you can double click Windows Live Essentials and get it repaired. That will do it for you and that should fix it. But there's another way that's really quickly, and that involves logging into webmail. I'll just quickly show you now. So hopefully your hosting company will have provided you with some webmail access. If you're using an IMAP email account, then you should have it. So ask them for it if they've not given you access already, because it's just handy if you haven't got it set up on a device and you want to access your email on the move. This is an example of a webmail account, and it was one of these emails that actually did display blank in Windows Live Mail, but I knew it was the computer because in my webmail, if I double click the email, it actually came up with all the contents there, and I could see the attachment as well, as you can see here. So that helped me to narrow it down and realize actually it is the computer that has the issue and certainly not anything to do with the email service. So what I needed to do to actually fix it was grab all of the emails that had the issues and transfer them to a different folder. Now, you may have a new folder created already, but if not, you can just create one within your webmail. Just call it test or email transfer or whatever, and select all the emails that have got the problem, and then just drag it into the folder that you need to put it into. Now, what you should then do is on your email application, on Windows Live Mail, do a send and receive. So all those emails will be gone and will be transferred to the newer folder. And then transfer it back. And once you do transfer those emails back from webmail, everything will work for you. Now, if you find this does not work, create a new folder and don't use an existing one. So in your webmail, you've got the ability to create a new folder. And if you can do that, then brilliant. That means you can transfer all those emails to it, do a send and receive over on Windows Live Mail. They will disappear from the inbox, and then on webmail, transfer them back. And then once you do a send and receive again, you'll see that all your emails work properly again. It's an absolute bizarre one. Don't know why it happens, but hey, it's just one of those Windows things, isn't it? If this video helped you and you've had this issue, leave me a comment below, because I know that many people do have various little niggles with Windows Live Mail. And also drop me a thumbs up and a subscribe as well, because it all helps, and you never know, the next video that I do, whether it be WordPress or general email computery tips, well, it might just be up your street. All the best.